Hi, I'm Kip from KipHakes.tv, and I'm meant to have a co-presenter with me, but they're not here. I have to ring their agent and see what's going on, but no, they're not here. That's very disappointing. But while we're waiting for him to arrive in his limo, I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be unboxing this. This is the Amazon Echo Show 8. Why is it an Echo Show 8? It is because it's got an 8-inch screen. So that's a pretty decent sized screen, really. So I already own a Echo Show 5. I just wanted to have one of these with a slightly bigger screen. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my Echo Show 5 into the kitchen, where I've got an original Echo Dot which has seen better days, and I'm going to have the Echo Show 8 in my living room. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. But before I can unbox it, I've just got to wait for the co-presenter to turn up. They'll be here. They'll be here in a second, I'm sure. Oh look, there we go. He's turned up in his limo. Come on. There we go. It's James. How you doing? Good. So are you really excited to be opening the Echo Show 8 for everyone?
It isn't mine.
Well, it kind of is. You know, you live here. You get to enjoy it. You can shout things at it. So should we unbox it? So how do you reckon we unbox it?
Let's get scissors and cut the finger.
Oh no, they make it really easy for you. Look at this. What's that? Just a sec. Oh. Is it child's play? It is child's play. Look at that. Oh, he's going to do a little bit of this. Right, okay, so we've got to be really careful because it's quite delicate.
No, not fancy.
There we go. Oh, look at that. It comes in like a little suitcase. Look, it's got a little Amazon smile on the front.
They stole mine!
Oh, okay, right, fine. Here we go. There we go. James can unbox it. There we go. Okay, just be careful with the microphones. There we go. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, right. So that is the Echo Show 8. We'll get that out in a second. We've got to see what else is in the box. What else is in the box, James? You've got to tell the people at home. The wire!
Hallelujah.
Whoa, look at that. That is a really chunky power brick, isn't it?
Yeah.
That would really hurt if I hit you over the head with it.
Ow. Ow!
See, exactly. I said it would. So there we go. That's the power brick. I think the Amazon Echo devices don't have like micro USB or USB-C connectors. They've got proprietary. Can you say proprietary?
Proprietary.
That'll do. Yeah, they've got
Proprietary.
proprietary connectors on. So you can't just plug in a standard micro USB charger into it. It won't work. There we go. Right. Okay. So look, this is the proprietary connector on. And yeah, is there anything else in the box? Oh yes, there is. What's this? Hello. Just a bit of paper.
Oh, bye.
Yep. Okay. James isn't a fan of the paper. He's not a fan of the detail. So let's. Ooh. Do you want to hold it up so the people at home can see? Ah, there we go.
Whee!
So let's have. It's got some buttons on the top. What do you reckon the buttons do,
One of
James?
them's the volume, one of them's mute.
What?
One of them's the volume, one of them's to turn down the volume, one's to mute it.
To mute it. And what do you reckon this little switchy thing is?
It's to turn it on and off.
No. No. What's this here?
Camera.
Camera. And what do you reckon that does with the camera?
Takes pictures.
Nope. Nope. It's a little privacy slide, so you can slide it across. So if you're nudie pants in the living room, you can hide it. Let me just take this off. Ooh, there we go. So look, so it's actually slide it across, and you can see what happens. See, look.
It does.
So we'll show the nice people at home. So look, go on. There you go. Open, shut.
And now it's like, no.
You can't see. You can't see. So this is an actual touchscreen device. It's not just for show. You can use it like fully touchscreen, and it has 2 speakers inside. The Echo Show 5 only has 1 speaker, and this is in the sort of white colour. I think it's something sand maybe. Comes in white or black, and it's got a magnetic base on, so you can buy a stand as well. James doesn't seem to be feeling this.
I like it.
You like it? Well, shall we turn it on and see what happens? Oh, actually, no, we've got to look at the back. What's on the back? What connectors do we have at the back? Oh, okay. So we've got the power connector on the back. We've got a micro USB connector. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe like software updates or something. There is a 3.5mm jack for connecting an audio output source. So there you go. It's like a big tablet, isn't it?
Yeah, but just a massive back.
With a massive back. Yeah, it's like an old school television. Like televisions in the olden days. Right, shall we power it on and see what happens?
No.
Oh, I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to pop under the desk and plug it in. Shall I do that?
It turns red.
It turns red, yeah. That's to let you know that the camera is switched off.
It doesn't go
Because
all the way.
do you know what? People are. It does. It just clicks in. So people are scared that like Amazon might be looking at them all the time, but this is like a physical guard to stop that from happening.
Amazon can't look at you.
Amazon can't look at you. Amazon aren't interested in you. Do you think Amazon are looking at you
No.
on Minecraft and Roblox?
No.
No, exactly. Right. So I'm going to plug this bad boy in. How long is the cable? How long would you say that cable is?
Measure me.
Measure you. Okay, so you are about 130 something centimetres. So come on, come over here. So nice people on the camera can see you. There we go. Right. Let's stand on that. There you go. So it's probably, I'd say it's probably about 2 meters of cable, which is all right actually. That's good. But you know you need a long cable because it's not. It's like a proprietary. I can't say that. Proprietary. Right. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Right. Okay. Ready? Get on the stool so the cool people at home can see you. There he is. Right. Do you want to plug it in? Don't put that in your mouth. Don't eat it. Ready? Oh. Is that on?
No.
No. Brilliant. Now it's on. Yes. Right. So, how do you reckon we set this up? Come on, you're a smart kid. You know these things.
I don't know that.
How do we set this up?
I only have a Hey Google.
You only have a Hey Google. Oh, we're not allowed to say Hey Google. Do you know what? I got told off for saying the name of this lots in a video. A man wrote in the comments, you shouldn't say that. So by saying Hey Google, turn on Netflix.
I don't know what they're called.
This is an Echo Show 8. But we know how we get this working. We go,
I don't.
getting your device online. Oh, let me see. There you go. It's a bit hard to see. Getting your device online. Now, when you buy these, you can choose to have them tied to your Amazon account. So in theory, it should, if you've got any other Echo Dot devices, it should know your Wi-Fi details if you saved them. But you can just have it set so it's completely blank, you know, if you're gifting it, because obviously you don't want to give one of these to your mum and then have it tied to your Amazon account. Right, there we go, look! Oh, it knows me! It knows my name! Oh, camera's off. That's weird.
Personal information.
Personal information. Yes, that's me. It is me.
That's right.
That is me. There we go. So yeah, because I chose to have my personal information put onto this, that's really creepy, isn't it? There we go. So it is British summertime. That's it. Continue. Oh no, we don't want my address on the screen. No.
Or just random people like, okay, cakes.
Yeah. We're not going to publish my address on the internet. Right, there we go. Where's this going to go? It's going to go in the living room.
Oh.
Oh no! What did you do?
I just clicked on something.
There we go, living room. There we go. And what's it going to be called?
Keepsake, I'm sure.
Yeah, you don't want to call it anything else? What are you going to call it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's going to call it bum, isn't he? This is a terrible idea. I'm going to have a phone call from Amazon in a minute saying, what? Why have you called your Echo Show Live Bumwee?
I like.
Well, it's done now. There we go. It's called Live Bumwee. That's what it'll be forever known as, Live Bumwee. Thank you so much. There we go. And it's all set up.
This device is ready.
There we go. It's ready. There you go. Look, it knows the time. Right. It's. I want a 24-hour clock. How do we do that? No.
Alarms.
Aha, settings. So it is all touchscreens. Like, how do we change the time?
There was clock.
Clock, was it?
Up.
Oh yeah, wallpaper and clock. Perfect. Ambient clock. Oh yeah, ambient clock's quite good. Ambient clock is really good because when, if you have ambient clock turned on, when there's not enough light in the room, it turns it into like a black face with red time, and that's really helpful. So you can actually have these in the bedroom as kind of bedside table clocks, but just a little bit smarter. So let's see if this works. Alexa, add cheese to the shopping list.
I've put cheese on your shopping list.
Okay. So it has, but she didn't do the ding sound, did she? So we need to do sounds. Start. Okay, so we've got to do the start of request sounds. That's better. Right. Okay. So, sir, how's the weather in London?
Searching. I didn't find anything to connect. To pair something new, go to the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device and
Try that again, love. Try that again. Okay, well, James wants to go and play Minecraft, so say goodbye to everyone, James.
Goodbye, everyone.
Don't forget to
Like and subscribe, and you'll get a million unicorns.
You
Or
get a million
cats.
unicorns or
Or
cats. Okay, so there we go.
If you want, we've got cats.
Bye.
Bye. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. There we go. That's weird, isn't it? Alexa, what's the weather like in Chelmsford? She's having a bit of a mare. Alexa, what's the weather like in New York?
in New York, United States, it's 22 degrees Celsius with thunderstorms. Today, you can expect lots of clouds and thunderstorms, with a high of 27 degrees and a low of 22 degrees.
There you go. So it's pretty cool, isn't it? Alexa, play songs by Bear's Den.
This is Bear's Den from Kit's Spotify.
There you go. Oh. Sounds really good. Like, you can't really appreciate the sound. Got a good bass response. Wow, okay, right. Can I pause that? Yeah, don't wanna get a copyright strike. It's all set up, and you know it does what it says on the tin. Oh look, it's got some trending topics. Yeah, you can customize the home screen so it only shows sort of stuff you're interested in. You can make it so it shows like your calendar or stuff like that, and you can change the screen so it shows like pictures from your Facebook. I think you can set which albums it is, and you know, rather than just you drunk in Corfu in 1999. Those are the days. Anyway, so yeah, it does what it says on the tin. Obviously, because I chose to have it set up to and tied to my account, I didn't have to join it to Wi-Fi or anything like that, and it's already prepared basically. So yeah, it's oven ready. That's a good term that people use at the moment, but you can't argue with that. What else is there to say? Well, there is something else to say. Please do join my Patreon. Patreon basically pays for gadgets like this to show to you. So if you join patreon.com/Kip Hakes, peekaboo, you can sign up and you'll get to see some of these videos early, and your donations and pledges will basically help me buy stuff like this to unbox and show you to talk about. So the more people that do that, the more stuff I can buy and we can chat about. So yeah, that's great. There's nothing left for me to say now aside from thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon. And I'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun. See ya!